In this video, I'll show you how to buy BTC or Bitcoin on Binance. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing that you need to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. And by using my link, you'll also get a welcome bonus. After you've logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And if you don't already have funds in your account, we're going to go right over here to the top right hand corner and tap on add funds. And we're going to select the first option, which is buy with euros or whatever your currency is. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. We're going to make sure that we have buy selected. And right here next to USD, we're going to tap that arrow and we're going to select our local currency or whatever currency you have in order to purchase Bitcoin. So you can scroll through this list and select whatever currency works for you. I'm going to select euro. And right here, I'm going to enter in the amount of euros that I want to convert into Bitcoin. So for example, if I wanted 250 euros worth of Bitcoin, I would just put that number in there. And right here where it says buy, this is where you can select whatever crypto you want to purchase. You can do that by going through this list, searching for it in the search bar up top, or just going through this list. And since we want to purchase Bitcoin, we're just going to tap BTC right here. And next we can select our payment method. Tap on that there. These are the options that come up for me. I can choose to pay with Revolut Pay, Payment Aid, Visa, MasterCard, or Google Pay. I'm going to stick with card, Visa, MasterCard. Tap on confirm. And if you haven't done so already, we're going to add a new card. Fill out your card information. Then it's going to ask you to confirm the transaction. Go ahead and confirm it. And that's the first way on how to buy Bitcoin, BTC on Binance. Now, if you already have another cryptocurrency in your account, or on another exchange, you can send it over into your Binance account by going right over here and tapping on deposit crypto, selecting what crypto you're going to deposit. For example, if you have a stable coin like USDT, tap on USDT, choose the network you're going to send it on, and you'll be able to see the cryptocurrencies you have in your account by tapping on this wallet icon or the assets at the bottom right hand corner. And you can trade any of those into Bitcoin by just simply going over here to trade. And you can convert whatever currency you have into Bitcoin by simply selecting Bitcoin out of the list. So for example, if I wanted to convert Solana into Bitcoin, I would just set it up like this, enter the amount that I want to trade or convert into Bitcoin, preview, confirm the transaction. Another option is you can go right over here to the spot market, choose a trading pair like BTC, USDC, make sure you have buy selected. And right here, we can select the total amount of USDC that we want to convert or trade into Bitcoin. So for example, if I wanted to trade 250 USDC worth, I'll just put that amount in there, make sure limit order is selected, and tap on buy BTC. You would just be asked to confirm the transaction, and that is how to buy BTC or Bitcoin on Binance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.